How to fix your GoPro webcam not showing or not connecting to the Windows computer. So here on the Windows computer, you can see I have connected the USB cable, but when I try to open it, the webcam Pro, so here I try to open up the GoPro webcam, it is disabled. The preview button is disabled. If I go into preferences, it shows graphic cards, but I cannot launch my GoPro webcam. So the preview button is disabled. So to fix this problem on your GoPro, I'm just going to disconnect the cable, and then we swipe down at the top, then swipe across to the left, and then tap on connections. In here we go down and tap on USB connections, then we swipe down and tap on GoPro Connect. After that, you can reconnect the cable, and it still shows MTP, so I'm just going to double check. It shouldn't show that. So I go down, then tap on connections, USB connections, then switch to GoPro Connect. I'm going to swipe in to go back to make sure it is set to GoPro Connect. Now I'll connect my cable. And now on my computer, you can see it shows preview now. So if I click on this, on the system tray, and then click on GoPro Webcam, here I can click on preview, and now it shows my camera. And that's it. So now it works fine. You can see here it shows on my keyboard. And that's it. So if you have a connection problem with your GoPro webcam, then make sure you change the settings, the USB settings on your GoPro right here. And that's it. If it shows a black screen, then you may want to go into the settings here. So I'm just going to change it here, make it darker. So you want to go into preferences and change the graphics card to Intel graphic card. So if you have Intel graphic card, make sure you change your Intel graphic card. If you still have a black screen issues, you may want to disable your antivirus. So here, simply disable your antivirus temporarily to make sure that the antivirus does not cause an issue for you. So just disable it for 10 minutes or half an hour, just so that you can test out your webcam. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.